So I went and checked out this 57 uh, Chevy 210 Townsman. I'm thinking about trading some stuff for it. If you look there, it's got some floor rot in the front. The back doesn't look to be that bad. Uh, it had a 4-speed transmission in it at one point in time. It's actually not as rusted out as I thought it would be. Right there, you can see it's gonna need a floor pan, maybe a brace on the bottom or whatnot. That's nothing I'm really scared about doing. The rest of the floor looks okay. You can see where the paint's starting to peel and everything off of it. It's gonna need new leaf springs. Debating on doing a 4-link. Getting up off the ground. Uh, Here's a side shot of it. The passenger side looks okay. It's got some rot in normal spots. The the upper lid on the tailgate, it's got some rust on it. After you open it, all the doors open. Uh, the biggest problem with this thing, you'll see here in a few, and that's just paint peel right there. But anyway, what you're going to see here in a little bit is the driver's side got rear-ended at one point in time, and the car does come with a new quarter panel, the hood, and see, there you go. There's the damage that we're looking at, and I believe he has the rest of the trim that goes along with it. This is what he was wanting. What I'm trading him, I don't think is quite that much. We had worked out a deal several years ago. I've been trying to get this car for at least 10 years now. We finally agreed on something. I just went to go really check it over before I decided to trade my stuff for it. I was checking the size of the tire there. Uh, he wants to take that one piece bumper off the front and give me a 3-piece. I'm okay with that. This is going to be a driver. It's not really going to be a show car. I just love the old 57s. I love the 55s and 57s. 56s are okay, but as you can see, it's going to need a lot of work. I plan on doing a powered brake booster and stuff up front. Disc brake conversion in the front, probably some 2-inch drop spindles, maybe a 4-link in the back. That's really nothing to do there. It's fairly easy. A little 5.3 out of a Suburban or a Avalanche. Here's the damage on the driver's side. You can see, you can kind of see right there, and then I'll take and flake some of it away. That's the rod on the front. And they've got like a piece of sheet metal laid over the top of it just to be able to drive it or whatever, I guess. I don't know how long it's been since it's been on the road. This car does have a title, so that's a plus. I was really looking at the frame. I wasn't certain how good the frame was, so I wanted to go check everything out, before I actually traded for it. I am getting off the ground again. Door panels coming apart here. I think I can fix it. I think those are 1-piece panels, like solid, like small, real thin wood panels. I should be able to make my own and restaple it. The seats aren't all tore up. Yeah, that's rodent stuff, but it should clean up. The seats aren't all tore up. The headliner, it's falling down, but it's not tore up, not ripped or anything. There's some damage right there. I've been looking for patch panels there, but can't really find anything. I'm probably gonna have to be creative and make my own. I love the look of these dashes. You know, I like the steering wheels of these things, but I may have to go with the smaller one because I'm a bigger fella. So. And there's the damage again. It's I think it looks worse than what it actually is. If you look, there's like a round light down there. I actually think they were able to drive this thing for a little while like that with just that light there. Anyway, there's this is the project I'm fixing to be working on, and more videos are going to be coming out. I'm excited about it. It's going to be fun. It's going to be a family project, and hopefully we'll be able to cruise it to some shows in the next year or two. Not looking for show quality. I'm just looking for a driver. That's the whole purpose of this thing. Do it on a budget and have fun.